morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes children. As you people know, I have completed 2 chapters in grammar, that is has and have, and the yesterday's chapter was the fox and the grapes. So children, with this you have received 2 chapters in the grammar and then 2 chapters in prose and poetry, that is one is poem and the second is the little hen. So here now today I am back with the new topic that is called as prepositions. What we call it? Prepositions. So here you all can open page number 46 in your textbooks. Ellaru ನಿಮ್ಮ notebook textbook ತೆಗೆದು page number 46 ಅನ್ನು open ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here now prepositions. Prepositions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What are prepositions? So here children, we will study today what are prepositions. In, on and under. The first star in, on and is not preposition, okay? And under are called prepositions. So here children, these 3 words in, on, under. These 3 words are called as what? Prepositions. Now first we'll learn the meaning of these 3 words. This you have already learned from pre-section also. So in means what? Whatever things are inside. Now you keep your clothes where your mama will fold your clothes and she will keep, or the pressed iron clothes where your mama will keep, she will keep inside the cupboard. Yes or no? Your mama will keep inside the cupboard. Nice cupboards mama will have in the home. Yes or no? So think this is the cupboard. Okay. Then here there are some shelves to keep your dresses in the cupboard. What mama will do? Mama will arrange all the dresses at one side in the cupboard. Inside, in. Where mama will keep your dresses? Here in the cupboard. Mama will keep your dresses in the cupboard. And when you are studying, where do you keep your books? Where do you keep your books, children, when you are studying? Where do you keep your books when you are studying? So here you keep your books on the table. See children, your books are on the table. You keep your books on. This is on the table. Yes, on the table. Next, one more. You see many things in some people house. There will be one big table and here down they keep many things. Or if you have a pet in your home, the pet will come and sit here down the table. This is called under. What we call? We call it as what? Under. Yes, ಏನರ ಟೇಬಲ್ ತಳಗಡೆ, ಕಾಟ್ ತಳಗಡೆ, ಕಪಾಟ್ ತಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ತಳಗಡೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಅಂಡರ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್? ಅಂಡರ್. ಒಳಗಡೆ ತುಂಬೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಇನ್. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್, ಇನ್. ಮೇಲೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡೋ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಆನ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್? ಆನ್. So like this way, these 3 words are called as what? Prepositions. What we call these all 3 words? We call these all 3 words as prepositions. So here it shows the preposition of the cat in comparison with the basket. Children, here you can see the picture. Yes, Here you can see the picture of the cat. Yes, where the cat is sitting? The cat is sitting inside the basket. This is the basket. Cat el ಕೂತದ ಆ basket ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತದ. So it is in. Here you can see this word. This is called as preposition. Next, coming to the next part. The books are on the table. Where are the books? On. This is the table. Table ಮೇಲೆ book ಅದಾವ. ಮೇಲೆ. That is on. The books are on the table. Here you can see the word on. This is called as preposition. Next, the puppy is under the table. See, this is the table and the dog is under. The dog's puppy. Yes, ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪಪ್ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And this is under. Under ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಳಗಡೆ. Under. The dog is under the table. So here children, this in, on and under are called as prepositions. What we call this all things? We call them as prepositions. So they have said it shows the position of the cat in comparison with the basket. So in the picture, the in word is telling how the cat is sitting inside the basket. How it is sitting inside the basket. The position. In what position it is sitting? It is sitting inside the basket. So in is what? It is the preposition. Next, on shows the preposition of the books compared to the table. So this on it is showing. This is the table. Where are the books kept? The books are kept on the table. Where the books are kept? The books are kept on the table. Next, the puppy is under the table. Where is the puppy sitting? The puppy is sitting under the table. So this under word is called as what? Preposition. It is showing in what position and in which position the puppy is sitting under the table. So here, so in, on and under are some prepositions. So this in, on and under are called some prepositions. So here, a preposition shows the relation of a person or thing to another word in the sentence. So when we take this use of these words that in, on or under, then it tells in what position the things are being said or are seen, in what way they are being said. So these words help us to know the position of the things, how they are. So now let us begin with the small slides of these prepositions. I will show you one video of the preposition. So let us see the slides now. The cat is under a cot. Under means the cat is sitting down the cot, so it is called as under. The girl is in a boat. The apple is on a table. The dog is under a table. The mango is in a basket. The mouse is on a lion. The baby is under a fan. The boy is in a cart. The girl is on the bed. The toy is under the table. The pen is in an ink pot. The bird is on a tree. The rat is under a bed. The kettle is on a stove. The man is under a tree. The stick is in a matchbox. The pencil is on the book. The cobbler is under a tree. The zebra is in a zoo. The baby is on a mat. The watch is under a lamp. The doctor is in a clinic. The man is under a shelter. The bee is in a beehive. The man is on a cot. The rat is under an umbrella. The sparrow is in a nest. The monkey is on a tree. A toy is on an almari. So children, here we saw some of the slides. So there you came to know with the help of the pictures where the lion was sitting or where the cat was sitting, where the man was standing. So these are all things we studied today with the help of the slides of prepositions. So the words which were in the red color are called as prepositions, and those slides will help you to know what is under, what is in and what is on. Where do we use these words to? So children, now with the help of this definition, we will solve the exercise 1 in your textbook. Children, remember the same thing should be written in your notebooks also. Yes. Here, the first main, that is fill in the blanks with the prepositions given in the box. Into the box. So here the parrot is sitting dash the branch. The parrot is sitting dash the branch. This image also you all have seen in the video before, children. The tiger is dash the gate. The tiger is dash the gate. Next. Third one. The child is dash the car. The child is dash the car. The dog is dash the tree. Here I have written, children. Fourth one. The dog is dash the tree. Fifth one. The vase is dash the cupboard. The monkey is dash the cart. The monkey is dash the cart. So here are some 5 sentences, children. So let us solve these sentences with the help of the prepositions. So here we have to use the prepositions. What are the prepositions? The prepositions are in, on, under. These are called as what, children? Prepositions. We have to use these 3 and then write in the blanks. So here now you can see the first one. The parrot is sitting dash the branch. ಗಿಡದ ಟೊಂಕಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತದು? ಗಿಳಿ? Yes, the parrot is sitting on the branch. The tiger is dash the gate. The tiger is in the gate. Okay. The child is dash the car. The child is in the car. You can see the pictures are already given there. Okay. The dog is dash the tree. The dog is under the tree. The wasp is dash the cupboard. The wasp is on the cupboard. The monkey is dash the cart. The monkey is under the cart. So here with this exercise we learnt that what are prepositions. So in, on and under are called as what, children? Prepositions. And in means the thing which is inside cupboard is called as in. Now when you fill the water in your bottle, the water is inside the bottle. The water is in the bottle. It is not out of the bottle. The water is in the bottle. So here when you keep some things on the table, then you say the things are on the table. So like this way, here let us revise. Fill in the blanks with the prepositions given in the box. That is in, on and under. So here the parrot is sitting on the table. The tiger is in the gate. The child is in the car. The dog is under the tree. The wasp is on the cupboard. The monkey is under the cart. So here you can see the pictures are given side. Here you can see all the side they have given the pictures related to the sentence. Yes, children, related to the sentence only they have given some pictures. So this is very easy, children, and to understand you people, even I have shown you some of the slides. In that slides, these 3 words prepositions are in the red color. So you can understand in what position the things are in the sentences. So see this video again and again and get it perfect so that you can understand what are prepositions. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. You have to write it in the grammar part. The day you receive this video, write the date, put the heading, prepositions and start writing. First you write this first main. In and or under are called prepositions. Then leave one line and write the heading. Fill in the blanks with the prepositions given in the box. Then draw this box to the next line. Fill this all blanks, options, and then start writing all the 6 sentences. Touch the lines properly, write neat handwriting, complete your work and send me the photocopy of this exercise on my app. Thank you children. Have a great day.